To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Types of sentences. There are different types of sentences in English. Each type of sentence serves a different purpose and has different punctuation. The different types of sentences are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. For example, what is your name? Another example is, are you coming to the party?